I am Chetan. I am studying in third R section. My school name is BRE School. I am sitting in first row, second bench. My class teacher name is Chetan. They are coming from Bergi bus. Today's class by Mosur. ಕೈ ಕೆಸರಾದರೆ ಬಾಯ್ ಮೊಸರು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Good morning everyone. Today's English talk never stop learning because life never stop teaching.
Good morning everyone. Today's headlines. National news. PM Modi to visit Jamui, Bihar for Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. Dominica to confer highest national honor to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. 43rd IITF begins at Bharat Mandapam, inaugurated by Union Minister Piyush Goyal. International news. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar inaugurates Symbiosis International University first overseas campus in Dubai. Voting underway in Sri Lanka for new parliament. Sports news. PV Sindhu advances to pre-quarterfinals at Kumamoto Masters Japan 2020. India defeats South Africa by 11 runs in third T20 match at Centurion. State news. Rare 12th century hero stone or Veeragallu Depatri Mahasati.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎವ್ರಿವನ್. ಇಂದಿನ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳು. ದಿನಾಂಕ 15/11/2024. ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಜೋಡಿ ಅಸ್ತ್ರ, ಸಂಪುಟ ಸಭೆ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ, ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಗಣಿ ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಎಸ್ಐಟಿ, ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ಮೋದಿಗೆ ಡೊಮಿನಿಕಾದ ಅತ್ಯುನ್ನತ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ಭಾರತ ಟೆಲಿಕಾಂ ಶೃಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ, ಎಸ್ಎಸ್ಎಲ್ಸಿ ಪಿಯುಸಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಂದ ವಿಶ್ವ ದಾಖಲೆ, ಸೆಟ್ ರೇಟ್ನ 77 ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಪಾಸಾದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಆದ ದೆಹಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ತೀವ್ರಗೊಂಡ ವಾಯು ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯ, ಉಸಿರಾಟಕ್ಕೂ ಜನರ ಪರದಾಟ, ತುಳಸಿ ಅಮೆರಿಕದ ಗುಪ್ತಚರ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥಿಯಾಗಿ ನೇಮಕ. ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಸುದ್ದಿ. ಸರಣಿ ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಹಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತ, ಸಮಬಲ ಸಾಧಿಸಲು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ ಹೋರಾಟ. ರಣಜಿ ಟ್ರೋಫಿ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಶ್ರೀಜಿತ್ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಶ್ರೀರಕ್ಷೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳು ಮುಕ್ತಾಯ.
Good morning everyone. I am here to present a story. Once upon a time, there was a king who ruled a prosperous country. One day, he went for a trip to some distant areas of his country. When he was back to his palace, he complained that his feet were very painful because it was the first time that he went for such a long trip, and the roads when he went through was very rough and stony. Then he ordered his people to cover every road of his entire country with leather. This led the ministers into a deep worry, as this would definitely lead to the death of thousands of animals and also would cost a huge amount of money. Then one of the wise ministers dared himself to tell the king that why do you have to spend such unnecessary amount on covering the roads with land? Why don't you just cut a little piece of leather to cover your feet? The king was surprised, but he later agreed to his suggestion to make a soft shoe for himself with leather rather than covering the road with leather. Moral of the story: to make the world a happy place to live, you better change yourself, your thoughts, your heart, and not the whole world. Happy birthday.